everyone. I am Abijar Bhori. I am currently heading the downstream as well as the formulation development team at Enzene. I have been associated with Enzene from last 8 years. A fully connected continuous manufacturing should be adopted when somebody is seeking significant advantages over the product stability, reduced degradation, and improvement in the yield. FCCM also offers a significant advantage, specifically resource utilization like resin reuse and a smaller footprint. This approach is beneficial for molecules which are difficult to express and purify kind of proteins. We at Enzene always advise to use FCCM in a very early stage of the development, and that's the platform approach we are using for our molecules. A fully connected continuous manufacturing is a comprehensive approach which combines right processes and right unit operations, and that's why it makes versatile for a lot of modalities. It is particularly suitable for monoclonal antibodies as well as the difficult to express and purify proteins which are prone for the clipping, such as the bispecific, trispecific, fusion proteins, and molecules that pose a scale-up related challenge. We are always committed to innovation, and that's why we leverage our Engineering platform for a different type of modalities.